you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Victoria here. So today we're going to be doing a natural silk out with curls, and I'm starting off with some clean hair. I did wash, shampoo, and conditioner and all that to make sure I didn't have any oil or dirt in my hair before straightening it. And you can see I am sectioning my hair into 4 sections. They do not have to be neat. Then I'm going to go in with my Marc Anthony argan oil blow drying mist, not mist, but like cream. And I'm just going to go in with my blow dryer that I got from Target with my Denman brush. I do think it's best that you do co-wash or deep condition your hair a couple days or a week before straightening your hair, so that way your hair won't be damaged. You will probably get like split ends, but that's normal. Just cut those off. But this is also a very important step. So I just go in on each section and just blow dry it using my Denman brush and my blow dryer. And you do want to make sure that you can get as many kinks and curls and tangles out as much as possible, because this will be easy for you to manage while straightening your hair. I did use another brush you will see in a minute. It's really called a Blowout brush. It's like a round brush that people use when they blow out your hair. You can get it from anywhere. I got mine from Ulta. I've had it for a very long time. I rarely use it. You see, I'm getting tired, but yeah, I rarely use this, but it does help out a lot. And y'all can see my hair is getting tangled. Oh my god. Now I'm going in with my Ion Styling Heat Protecting Spray. This stuff right here is the truth. Like, honestly, I love this stuff. And you see I'm sectioning my hair. Y'all can see how thick my hair is. But yeah, I just go in with this stuff, and you do want to make sure that you do have a fan or something on, because this stuff will make you cough and choke. But the way this stuff applies on your hair, it's not wet, so it wouldn't have that little, that noise when you do your hair. So I do advise you to get it. You can get it from Sally's. And it has like a dry consistency, but you can see it on your hair. It's like a shiny consistency. Then I go in with my Babyliss Pro Titanium Straightener, and I just start going in and straightening each piece. I make sure to go in my roots more than once because my roots are super thick. And this goes back to what I was saying while blow drying your hair. Make sure you get as many kinks and coils that you can get out as possible, so you don't have to really worry about having to straighten in your roots. But if you have to, there's nothing wrong with doing that. Y'all could just see how my hair is still detangled, but if you ever do have this problem, especially while blow drying and trying to detangle it, I do advise you to use a detangler. You might want to use this before washing your hair so it doesn't leave a residue. Also, when you straighten your hair, you want to make sure that you follow it along with the comb so you can keep your hair straight than if you were just to straighten it without a comb. Now, if you do want your hair to be bone straight and you don't want curls, then you should run your hair with the straightener 2 to 3 times. This should be fine, as you do use a heat protectant. You already have a lot of protection in your hair from the steps I, told you should take. But if you're like me, someone who is going to add curls, then you don't want to run your hair that many times through with the straightener. Probably once or twice, so when you go back and add the curls, it won't be too much heat, or you won't have that feeling that you just burnt your hair out. had to speed up this whole process because I'm pretty much just doing the same thing that I explained to y'all. I'm just straightening each section, taking down a piece, spraying my ion styling stuff on there, and just making sure that I get my hair as straight as possible, especially in the root area. So the way I parted my hair when I got to my crown was I just parted down the middle, and I put a bun on one side, and then I twist the other side and just clipped it. And that's how I do my crown area, because I find it easier for me to get my hair as straight as possible. Especially with my hair being so tangled, it's hard for me to just use a comb and just to take pieces separately out and not hurt myself. So it's just, if you have thick hair like I do advise you to do this when you get to your crown area, because this will help out a lot and will make the process seem easier. I hope I am doing a good job with explaining this whole tutorial. I do want to make sure that you do understand. If you have any questions or anything, please leave it down in the comment section. And if you are enjoying this video so far, please leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to your girl. Your girl, she's new here. But yeah, I was very excited to get this video out for y'all because I wanted to show y'all how to do your own DIY silk press, especially if you have thick hair like me, tangled hair, coil hair, anything beyond those lines. But you can see my hair was just getting tangled anyways. But yes. And I did go on to the next section where I did have that bun, and I took that bun down, and now I'm just going in and straightening this side of my hair, the left side. Well, your left, not my left, but my right. And I'm just tracing my hair with the comb while following the straightener. Not gonna lie, y'all, this took me, like, I would say an hour to straighten my hair. So be prepared to spend like an hour or two doing this, especially if you have thick hair. I know I keep saying that, but just be prepared, because it is kind of time consuming. You save money, but it is time consuming. Also, I do want to advise you to invest in a good pair of straighteners. You see, I'm using the Babyliss Pro Titanium. Now remember, my hair is not bone straight because I am going to go in and add curls. Also, my edges are not straightened. I just go back in with my hot comb. You will see later on, and I do all that. And then I start to section my hair so I could add my curls. And the way I do this is I use my straightener, and I like to turn it upwards and just to keep sliding it and turning it upwards. And even, like, I call it munching because I kind of do munch with the straightener so my hair doesn't get stuck. And yeah, then I just let it go when it gets to the end. It's really not hard when you explain it, but you do have to practice while curling your hair like this. I know it took me quite a few times until I actually got it. Your first couple times are not going to come out how you think it would, but the more you practice and the more you get used to turning your wand and all that, you should be fine. Also, you will be able to curl your hair not only upwards, but you can do like other directions too, like downwards. Doesn't matter. I know some people, they do it either upwards and then downwards to add volume, and so the curls won't all clump together. I do advise you to do that because I cannot stand when my curls do that. It's so annoying. you get to your crown area, you do want to go ahead and part your hair how you want, well, where you want your part to be, so it can be easier when you do curl it. So you can see how your curls will look at the top. Also, I want to say I am not a hairstylist. I just did my hair like this before, and I can leave like images too so you can see how it came out in videos, because the last time I did my hair like this, it was so pretty. I had did it for like an event that I had on campus, and it was just, the curls were popping. Oh, wait for it. Oh, Lord. Please do not burn yourself. Oh, it's so easy to burn your hand. I advise you, if you can, wear a glove, because, I was in pain, but, you know, I had to finish this video for y'all. At my bang part, you see how thick my hair is, y'all? Like, no matter what, like, this is why I wanted to get this tutorial out, because I wanted to show y'all, no matter how thick your hair is, you could do a natural silk out. I promise. But yeah, I just go in, curl it some more upwards. Now, I'm not going to do all the pieces curling this way. You will see when I get to the bang how I do it. It's so easy, I promise y'all. Go back in on my right side and just added those curls, because I did feel like my bang area was too big. But now I'm going in with my bang and I'm curling it forward towards me, not away, but towards me. And y'all probably looking like, girl, what kind of tutorial is this? But wait for it. I promise y'all, just wait for it. But yes, you want to take your other piece of your bang, curl it forward as well. Please, y'all, trust me. Y'all, watch this. Boom. Just flip it back and just go through with your fingers and just break them curls up. And I swear, you ain't even gonna remember how it looked before. Last, I am going in with my hot comb and just making sure my edges are straight as possible. Last, you want to go in with your edge control. Please do not forget your edge control. It's the most important step. I use the L flexible hold edge gel, but you can use any kind you want to. Yes, this is how you get a natural silk out with curls for thick hair. I hope you all enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.